Okay, just chill out for a second. I can do this. Alright. Let's do this. Adventure mode. Welcome to Luxor HD. The quest begins. Chasing the caravan to the pyramids. Clue in the ruins. The oasis of Isis. Journey to the Sphinx. Pillars of what? Karnak. After the high priest. City of the dead. Up the cataracts. The hermit's advice. Temple of the goddess. The wrath of Set. And here we have adventure mode and challenge the forest. Urias Nefertari. Nephthys garden. Full of lotus blossom. Descent to the underworld. Hather's loving embrace. Ra's journey to the west. Light of the sacred ibis. Khufu's revenge. Scroll of Thoth. Threading Cleopatra's needle. Inundation of the Nile. Path of the golden goddess. Imhotep's folly. Barbecue of the goddess. In the shadow of the pyramids. The pillar of Osiris. Oasis of the east. Riddle of the Sphinx. Inner sanctum of the temple. Den of the hyenas. Cobra twilight. Navigating the cataracts. Dance of the crocodiles. Lair of the jackal god. The wrath of Set. And survival. Urias Nefertari. Nephthys garden. Pool of lotus blossom. Descent to the underworld. Hather's loving embrace. Ra's journey to the west. Flight of the sacred ibis. Khufu's revenge. Scroll of Thoth. Threading Cleopatra's needle. Inundation of the Nile. Path of the golden goddess. Imhotep's folly. Barbecue of the goddess. In the shadow of the pyramids. The pillar of Osiris. Oasis of the east. Riddle of the Sphinx. inner sanctum of the temple, den of the hyenas, cobra twilight, navigating the cataracts, dens of the crocodiles, lair of the jackal god, and the wrath of Set. Okay. Urias Nefertari, Nephthys garden, pool of the lotus blossom, descend to the underworld, Heather's loving embrace, Ra's journey to the west, light of the sacred ibis, Khufu's revenge, scroll of Thoth, threading Cleopatra's needle, inundation of the Nile, path of the golden goddess, Imhotep's folly, RQ of the goddess, in the shadow of the pyramids, the pillar of Osiris, oasis of the east, riddle of the Sphinx, inner sanctum of the temple, den of the hyenas, cobra twilight, navigating the cataracts, dance of the crocodiles, lair of the jackal god, and the wrath of Set. How to play with catch 30 Ankh coins to earn an extra life. Collect falling treasures to score bonus points. Reverse, stop, slow, speed shot, lightning ball, fireball, wild ball, and color bomb. Achievements. Life health prosperity. 2 gates of Luxor temple. Pharaoh's treasury. Golden coin. Urias net. Power-ups collected. Spheres destroyed. Sphere roots. Last one.
Logan.
What?
Hello.
Hi. And
Gavin. Hello.
last of its high score. Those who are worthy. Khufu, Isis, Amun Ra, Horus, Set, and Osiris.